All right, thanks, Pete. Our Pinpoint Weather Team coverage continues now. On the concern of staying warm, Eyewitness News reporter Susan Campbell is working that part of the story. She joins us now live with the very latest from the mobile newsroom.
As Pete just mentioned, the real concern is really the wind chill. That's how cold it feels, not how cold it actually is. As the wind chill drops, the threat for hypothermia and frostbite go up. From this beautiful sunny sky video, it's hard to tell just how cold it really is. But it's really cold.
It's crazy. I had to go to a job lot. I got these warm packs. Oh. They go up for 10 hours.
Though people are bundling up, there are very real concerns about safety in this winter weather. So some cities and towns have opened warming centers.
We want to make sure that particularly the elderly and the disabled who might have chronic conditions to be out in severe weather like that is really of concern.
Mary Lou Moran is the director of the Leon Matthews Senior Center in Pawtucket. On a typical day, there are about 150 people who visit the senior center. Today, there could be many more because the facility is doubling as one of Pawtucket's 4 warming centers.
The doors are open for anyone who needs to get in and out of the cold, they can get a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, and also we have TV available. We have some activities going on during the day, and we welcome people to participate if they so choose.
The senior center will be open through 4 o'clock today for anyone who needs to get out of the cold. Pawtucket's other warming centers include the public library, which will be open until 8:45 tonight, the St. Germain Manor Community Room until 10 o'clock, and the Blackstone Valley Visitor Center open through 4 o'clock. Of course, this is a good time to remind you, if you have any elderly family members or neighbors, you should check on them. Make sure their heat is working properly. Make sure they're warm enough to get through these next couple of days with very cold wind chills. Live in Pawtucket with the Blackstone Valley Mobile Newsroom, Susan Campbell, Eyewitness News.